How to lock apps on Android phones. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your phone. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen. After you click on search button on top right corner of your screen, search App Locker. After you search App Locker, you'll find App Locker in here. Simply click on it and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on App Locker again, add your password, and then click on Add Apps. After you click on Add Apps, you can select any app to lock. You can also hide notification content of locked apps. And this is how to lock apps on Android phones. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.